Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable and disable the NumLock at the Windows 11 startup. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. Again, type for regedit. It is regedit. And the moment you have typed it, please click on OK. So if you would receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you will be able to give permission on running this registry editor. So from here, you just have to close all of these paths first so that we can focus on this one. So from here, you need to proceed with this fourth key, which is a key underscore users, and click on this forward arrow to expand it, and please select on that default. And from here, you need to click on this forward arrow and please choose on control panel. Click this forward arrow again and go with the keyboard. Under the keyboard, you would be able to see there a value at the center. Please look for initial keyboard indicators. Again, look for initial keyboard indicators. So this value is very important because using this value or changing the value data, it will help us to enable or disable the numlock at the Windows 11 startup. So in order to change the value data, you just have to double tap to it and you would be able to bring up this one. Okay. All you need to do is you need to click on the backspace key to delete it. And if you would like to enable the numlock at the Windows startup, all you need to do is you need to set the value data into 2 and click on OK. Once you're good, close the window, navigate to the start icon, and go with your power menu options and go with restart. The moment you've restarted it and relaunch your Windows again, you would be able to enable the numlock at the Windows 11 startup. Okay? But on the contrary, if you would like to disable that, all you need to do is you need to perform the same step, and that is to press Windows key and R key together and bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit, click on OK, and eventually your user account control would ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you would be redirected to this one. From here, please navigate the same path, and that is to go with hkey underscore users, then select on that default, go with control panel and go with keyboard and proceed with initial keyboard indicator. So double tap to it and please set the value data into 0 and click on OK. The moment you've closed the window, okay, and when you click on the power start icon and then your power menu options and then click on restart, you would be able to disable the numlock and the Windows 11 startup. Okay? So that's it. Those are the important steps on how to enable or disable the numlock at the Windows 11 startup. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.